Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So today's video is actually sponsored by Tymo. So thank you so much to Tymo for sponsoring today's video. I love working with them. They really do have some of the best affordable hair tools. So I'm super excited to be trying out today the new Tymo Wavy Professional Rotating Curling Iron. So here it is. This retails for about $80. And I'm going to be doing a first impressions today. I'm going to be testing it out for the very first time. I'm excited about this one because this is a rotating curling iron. This is a 1-inch barrel and the heat settings go up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So you do have a lot of heat settings to work with. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on here on YouTube, so go ahead and check out my Instagram, show some love. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so I got a glove, I got 2 clips, so that's something that I love because I always use these clips. They're so good and these come in handy. So here's the tool. It comes in a pouch, and actually a very big one. This is a pretty big hair tool. Okay, so it's actually a pretty big size. I mean, it's not like huge or anything. If I compare it to, for example, their 1-inch straightener, I mean, it's pretty big. But yeah, I don't mind that. So I'm assuming that this arrow is gonna curl away from the face, and then this one as well is gonna curl away from the face. So let's try it. Let's turn this on. I'm gonna do heat setting 350 first, and then we're gonna do 410. Basically, if you hit this button, it spins. That is so cool. And then this one spins to the other side. And then if you hit home, it goes back to the middle. So I'm gonna place my hair and I'm gonna do it away from my face. I'm gonna click this one. Oh my god! Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there for about 10 seconds. Try to not get it too close to your head because then you can kind of like burn your ear. So just be very careful with that. But I'm just gonna release the curl now and let's see what type of curl we get. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, that was so easy to create, and that is a beautiful, perfect curl. I'm like in love with it so far. This didn't pull my hair. The curl is very, very soft. I am loving it. So I'm gonna keep curling my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the home button. It's gonna go to the center again. I'm gonna hold the ends again. The only thing is that if you have layers, as you can see, they kind of fall because you're holding the ends, but I'm gonna fix that. That's so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there for a couple of seconds and let's see what type of curl I get. Oh, that's so pretty. If you're just starting to create curls with hair tools and stuff, oh my god, this curl is so soft. Like, wow. I do feel like this is a very easy hair tool to use when you're getting started because it basically curls your hair for you, and I think 350 is perfect. I don't think I need a higher heat setting, honestly. I'll try for 100 just cause, but I really don't think I need it. I mean, the curls are coming out so nice. So as you can see, the layers that were left behind, I'm just gonna click the home button again so it goes back to the center, and I'm just gonna grab those small pieces that were left behind and just curl. I'm gonna leave it there for a couple of seconds, not too much. And there you have it. This is my first time using this tool, and I have to say it's like so easy to use. Like if you're just getting started using hair tools and doing your hair, like this is gonna be so easy for you to use and understand. It's like so self-explanatory. I'm gonna do this side kind of like talking to you guys, and then this side I'll just time it so you guys can kind of get an idea of like how long it's gonna take me to do all my hair. I'm gonna put this up to 400. Oh, 410. You can't do 400. So let's just do 410, the highest heat setting. I will say this is kind of like a very big hair tool. It's kind of like the same size as the Dyson Airwrap. Is it? I feel like the Dyson Airwrap is like bigger. Oh no, this is like a little bit bigger. So it's like a pretty big hair tool. So if you don't love big hair tools and you maybe won't like the size of this, but it's so light, it's not heavy. I've tested out other hair tools here on my channel that you guys actually really like that are way heavier than this one. So this might be like long and like big, but it's really not heavy. I'm gonna do 410. I'm gonna do this section and let's see how it turns out. So okay, so I left it for a couple of seconds. Wow, that is like a very nice tight curl. I think that's a beautiful curl, especially when I run my fingers through my hair. It's gonna look so nice. It's gonna look so natural. The curls are very soft. This does not pull my hair at all. So I have to take the small layers. So I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna curl my hair. So I'm gonna put it back to home. I love that. I love that about this hair tool. And you can also leave the ends out if you want, but I try not to because I just like it when my hair is like curly all the way. There you have it. You know what's funny? Like, you would think that maybe this would pull your hair, but it really doesn't pull your hair at all. It's like so gentle. Beautiful curl. So now I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna do one section so you guys can see how I do it, and then I'm gonna time it so you guys can see how long it takes me to do my hair. So I'm gonna place the hair like this, and then I'm gonna click the button away from the face. So I'm gonna leave it there for a couple of seconds, maybe like 10 seconds, and then I'm going to release the curl. It's adorable. I love this curl. I'm gonna do this with all my hair. I'm gonna start timing it. Okay guys, so I am all done with this side. As you can see, I got some really nice soft looking curls. It only took me 13 minutes to do this side of my hair, so that means that it's only gonna take me maybe max like 30 minutes to do all my hair, which is actually not bad for me. I'm gonna run my fingers through my curls now just to loosen them up a little bit, make them look a little bit more natural. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I really like this hair tool. I think you get some really nice curls super quickly. It's so easy to use and it's pretty affordable for the type of hair tool that you are getting. I wish you guys can feel my hair right now. It's so soft, it's so shiny, healthy looking, and I just really like how my hair turns out. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Do you like how my hair turns out? Do you think this hair tool is worth it? I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. I'll link down below other Tymo videos if you guys want to check them out, because like I said, I have worked with them before and I really do like their hair tools. Like, that is why I continue to work with them. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 50K. Maybe by the time I upload this we're at 50K, we'll see. but I really want to make it to 100k. Like, that's like my goal. So make sure that you subscribe, join the crew, show some love, and stay tuned because I will be uploading some more really fun hair videos. Anyways, that is it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.